Good morning, trig fans. How are we doing on this fine Wednesday morning? Promise some weather, warm weather out there today. Life is good. It's gonna rain a little bit, but I'll take a little rain when it's warm out. It's not that bad. Hope everything's going well with your family. Hope things are going well for you. I miss you guys. I wish we were back in class right now, but it is what it is. The one question I'm going to go through today is one that I botched up. It was me. It's all on me. And one I botched up on the one evaluation we did after the notes for the arc trig function. Had a couple questions about it. We'll take a look at it. The arc cosine of the cosine of 11 pi over 6. Okay, we have to watch what we're doing with this because this capital letter means our principal value. Okay, so we need to make sure we are in a principal value range. And 11 pi over 6 is not going to put us in the principal value range for the cosine because the cosine is from 0 to 180. Now you're not going to have to know that because your calculator will do it for you. So it's important that you work through the problem as we have here. First off, let's take a look at 11 pi over 6. 11 pi over 6, if I put 180 in there and multiply this out, this is 330 degrees. So if we go to our triangle for 330 degrees, okay, we go to our triangle for 330 degrees. We're rotating all the way around 330, which means this is 30 degrees here. If this is 30 degrees, this is 60, here's our right angle. We have our 1 across from the 30, 2 on the hypotenuse, square root of 3 at the top. We check for any negatives. We have a negative with the 1 because it goes down. So if I take a look at this value right here, the cosine of 11 pi over 6, my cosine is going to be square root of 3 over 2. So I'm going to throw in square root of 3 over 2 because that is what the cosine of 330 equals. Square root of 3 over 2. Now at this point I can go to my calculator and do second cosine, second square root of 3 divided by 2, close my parenthesis out, and I come down to 30 degrees. And if I have 30 degrees, my solution then is pi over 6, because that is the radian form of that. Which I don't think I put that as a solution there. I think I had pi over 3. And then I have 11 pi over 6. So that problem I will just eliminate from that. And once again, all I'm doing is I'm giving you a little exit ticket with that, but I also include those into points that you can gain on your evaluation. So, which we'll be doing here shortly. So that's what I look for in regards to that little exit ticket things and the little quiz I give you there. Okay, other than that, I have no new notes for you. Okay, we have no new notes. Okay, what I do have though is a review sheet for an evaluation. And once again, I will post the evaluation tomorrow. It will be due on Friday. Okay, so you have 2 days to get it completed. And it's sort of how, the process or the routine that I'm getting into and getting you into. We do 2 days of new information on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday is a review day, and Thursday is an evaluation that's due on Friday. If you have any other questions, there's quite a few questions on this because it was all on me. I botched up. Can't be perfect all the time. I botched up and didn't put a solution down there. And that's one of those things where that's the reason why I always want you to just show your work also, because it allows me to be able to see what you guys are doing and the work that you're doing also. So if you have any other questions on law of cosines or arc trig functions, feel free to message me through Google Classroom, or you can email me my email address, and I'll respond back as soon as I get to them. So don't be afraid to contact me. If you need me to go through additional problems, that's fine. I can do that tomorrow morning. But other than that, I have nothing else for you this week. I got a review sheet for you. I'll post a review sheet for you. I'll post solutions for you. And then on Thursday morning, tomorrow morning, I will post the evaluation for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Other than that, I'm done. It's supposed to be really nice this weekend, so get things done. If you still need to catch up with some material, please make sure, I sort of leave that Friday open for us to be able to catch up on any type of material that we may still be missing. So make sure that we continue to go through, check your progress book, make sure I have everything. I'm pretty sure I got everything printed and graded. And if you don't see a grade there, contact me and say, hey, I turned this in. I'll search my emails, or you should have them still. You can return them in to me, and make sure I have it at that point. Key is trying to get things taken care of here. We have 3 more weeks worth of evaluations that we have to do here. So you guys have been doing a very good job. It's just important that we just maintain and keep up with the material that we're trying to do here. Other than that, I have nothing else for you. Once again, I'll post an evaluation for you tomorrow morning. And then Friday I have nothing also. We'll start up with some new material on Monday at that point. So, I mean, we're getting through our material that we need to get through, and that's the important thing at this point. Once again, I hope everything's going well for you at home. If you have questions, please comment me. Other than that, I'm out of here. Adios. Have a great day and a great weekend.